Okay. So these two screws here, this one, this screw here, and this other screw right here, that holds the pickup in the pick guard. Okay. So we're going to take those out. And those are also adjustment screws for the pickup. They will adjust the height of the pickup. And that is determined by these little springs in here. Looks like somebody cranked them all the way down. Wow. Looks like whoever put this in did not know what they were doing. They just decided, oop, screw it all the way in until it's tight and, you can't go anymore. Wow, that's... If the pickup height was, not high enough, they could have, actually gotten another set of springs. They could have done that. Or add like a little bit of height, See, as you tighten the screws, the pickup gets higher, and those springs, they only go so much. You can squeeze them so much, and then they're just they won't go together anymore. But what you can do is you can on this pickup you can put see if you can see the thickness here of this little foot here. If you put something above it, like a little rubber washer, and then the spring on top of that, like most, if you're gonna buy, pickups from another manufacturer that, specializes in that, most of the time they'll give you the screw, the spring, and like a little rubber washer that'll help in raising the pickup higher than if you just use a spring, but I'm not really sure who this one's made by, who this pickup is made by. It might have been just some type of second hand, or but we will keep these screws in the pickup, because just keep things together, that's the reason. So we put our screws back in the pickup, so everything is appears that I have 5 screws, and in this pick guard there is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 holes for the pickup. Okay. Now let's see. Here is the pickup that we're going to be using. It is the there we go. Let's see. There we go. The Seymour Duncan Hot Rails for Strat. You know, it's a single coil. So for Strat just means that it's a single coil, and you can use it on a Stratocaster guitar. But most of these, you know, like what I'm working on here, this one here, you know, that I took out, that's a single coil. So it'll be just perfect. And the Hot Rails, that's just their model name, which means that this is a very hot pickup. The volume on it is going to be very nice. Yep. And it is very nicely made. You know, let's see. I wish I had put on another lens so I could zoom in. You know, I think that's what I'm going to do for my next video, so I don't have to keep focusing. See, you're looking at the top, and this right here, kind of what I was talking about before, how it if you can see, there's just a little bit of height added onto it. And you see, it comes with a couple screws and these little rubber feet to you know, give it a little extra boost. So, and they even give you a wiring diagram. But I really don't think we're going to need that. This one is a wiring diagram for, you know, if I'm going to put this in a Stratocaster, you know, but we're not going to be doing that. We're going to, you know, basically, we're going to mimic this setup right here. Okay. Basically going to mimic this, but we will have to, we're going to have to, you know, be careful in our wiring, you know, because we got all these different wires. We have a green, we have a shield, we have a black, a red, and a white. So those are going to be, you know, well, two of the green and the shield are connected together. The red and the white are connected together, and the black is just all by itself. So, this is going to be a nice one. In fact, I can't wait. I can't wait to start this project. I can't wait to start soldering. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Gonna be interesting, and it's getting that much more interesting as I take a look at this. Okay, we'll put it right back in the pack, in the case that it came in. Okay. And I think we'll call this video complete. Here she is, stripped down. Yeah, gonna have to clean up some stuff here. I've got to figure out what I'm gonna do about this this pick guard. If I want to try to make one, or see if I can find one, because I think this one was just hacked up, and it really shows. It really does. There was, yeah, this really, I think this could have been done a whole lot better. I think that's the way it, that's probably the way it should look right there. So what I'm probably gonna do is this hole right out to the edge. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill that in and then put a little that's just something else, you know? That's just something. Well, let's get you back in here so you're facing me. Okay, so you saw a little bit of what we're going to be tackling here with the mandolin. I think the next time that I bring you back in, we'll either be working on the electronics or do some stuff off camera and then just show you what I did. So until next time, everybody just enjoy the rest of your week, enjoy the holiday and your weekend, and I will see you the next time. Merry Christmas, everybody.